The F150 Ecoboost is known for its powerful performance and efficiency. Over time, certain components, such as the turbo coolant line, may need replacement. This part is crucial for maintaining the engine's temperature and overall health. Ignoring a faulty coolant line can lead to severe engine damage and higher repair costs. Replacing the turbo coolant line on an F150 Ecoboost can cost between $200 and $600. Prices vary based on labor rates and parts. Symptoms of failing coolant lines. There are signs of failing coolant lines. Knowing these can save you money. Look for these symptoms: low coolant levels, engine overheating, coolant leaks under the truck, steam from the engine, sweet smell near the engine. If you see any of these signs, act fast. Check the coolant lines. They might need replacing. Ignoring these signs can lead to bigger problems. Analyzing the cost factors. Understanding the cost of an F150 Ecoboost. Turbo coolant line replacement can be complex. Several factors influence the total expense. This section will break down the key elements that affect the cost. Parts. Pricing. The cost of parts is a significant factor. Genuine OEM parts tend to be more expensive. Aftermarket parts are generally cheaper, but may vary in quality. OEM parts typically range from $150 to $300. Aftermarket parts usually cost between $50 to $150. Choosing between OEM and aftermarket parts can impact the overall cost. Labor costs depend on several factors. The experience and rates of the mechanic play a big role. Labor rates can range from $70 to $150 per hour. The replacement process usually takes 2 to 4 hours. This means labor costs can range from $140 to $600. The cost of replacement can vary by region. Urban areas often have higher labor rates. Rural areas might offer cheaper labor but have limited options.